Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's recipe is masala toast or Bombay sandwich. Let's start with the recipe. First we'll prepare the potato masala. Into the oil add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. When they splutter, add 2 boiled and peeled potatoes. Give it a mix. Now add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of chaat masala, half a teaspoon of cumin powder and salt to taste. Give everything a very good mix and mash if you have any big chunks of potato. Add the coriander and the masala is ready. To prepare the chutney, into the blender add 1 cup of mint leaves, 1 cup of cilantro, 2 green chilies and 1 inch of ginger, 1 tablespoon of onions, pinch of black salt, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of chaat masala, salt to taste and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Now blend this to a smooth paste and the chutney will be ready. Now to prepare the sandwich, take 2 bread slices, spread the butter on both the slices. Add the chutney and spread the chutney. Now we'll layer it with the potato masala which we have prepared. Place the onion slices, capsicum slices, tomato slices. You can even add cucumbers and lettuce. Sprinkle some chaat masala. Add a layer of cheese and cover it with the another bread slice. Now butter on top of the bread. Here I have the toaster. Place the sandwich with the butter side down and spread the butter on the other side. Now cover it and toast it for 2 to 3 minutes. By the time we'll prepare one on the tawa, spread the butter on the tawa, place the sandwich and gently with the help of spatula press the sandwich. Now flip it and toast it on the other side. The sandwich will be ready. Now we'll chuck on the toaster. The sandwich is ready. When you want to serve, just spread some green chutney. Cut the sandwich and garnish it with some nylon save. You can have this sandwich with some green chutney or with ketchup. To watch my other recipes, click the link displaying on the screen, and for the written recipes, please visit my blog cookwithshrutisajjan.blogspot.com, and if you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.